Software open, headset plugged in, and still nothing shows up. That's where it gets frustrating. When the Astro Command Center doesn't detect your Astro A50, it usually comes down to connection mode, USB recognition, or firmware mismatch rather than a hardware failure. You might see the base station powered on, but the app stays blank. In some cases, the headset is connected in the wrong mode, PC versus console, or the USB port isn't passing data properly. There are also moments where the software is outdated or the firmware hasn't synced, which prevents detection. Instead of trying random ports or restarting repeatedly, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the headset recognized by the software. 1. Set the A50 base station to PC mode. 2. Connect the base station directly to your PC using USB. 3. Try a different USB port to ensure proper detection. 4. Restart your computer and reopen Astro Command Center. 5. Update the Astro Command Center software to the latest version. 6. Place the headset on the base station to sync and check detection.